Assalamu alaikum, my friends. Today we are in a party mood with these adorable tea sandwiches, or also known as party or mini sandwiches. There are so many varieties and the options are limitless. However, I will be showing you today these 4 adorable yet delicious tea sandwiches. I chose these 4 because they were the most popular ones amongst my family and friends. Whenever we have a get-together or a gathering, they go crazy for them. If you like this video and more videos to come, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you won't miss a thing. Okay, let's get started. First, I will do the classic tuna sandwich. I used 1 tablespoon of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard or yellow mustard, 1 tablespoon of chopped parsley, 1 tablespoon of finely chopped onion, pinch of cayenne pepper, black pepper, and salt, and of course tuna. I always prefer the tuna flakes in water. I don't like the other ones that comes in oil. That's my preference. Drizzle a little lemon juice. Take a whole wheat toast. Spread the tuna salad all over the slice of toast and cover it with another slice. Then cut them into quarters. Garnish it with green olives on top. When you cut the edges from the toast, please don't throw them away. That's just waste of food. You can always toast them by putting them in the oven or by putting them in a toaster and then grind them, and you will have your own breadcrumbs. Okay, now let's do the second one. It's the cucumber stuffed with tuna. With the same tuna salad that we did before, I took an English or a Japanese cucumber and sliced an inch thick. Then I core out the center, but make sure you don't penetrate the bottom. So one side open and the other side is intact. So the filling won't fall over and no leaking will happen. You don't want your guests to have tuna filling falling all over their clothes. Stuff the cucumber with the tuna salad, and you can serve them as is or garnish it with sliced black olives and cherry tomatoes. For the third mini sandwich is turkey rolls on top of a mozzarella cheese. Also, I use whole wheat toast, cut the edges, and then cut them into 6 pieces. I use turkey. You can of course use chicken or beef. Mine were round, so I had to cut both edges, then cut them into strips. If you have square turkeys, that will be much easier. I took a cube of mozzarella cheese, put it on top of the piece of toast that we cut earlier, then took 1 strip of turkey and 1 pitted black olive, Please make sure that your olives are pitted. We don't want your guests to break any teeth. Then roll the black olive with the turkey strip and place it on top of the cube mozzarella. And top it with a half cherry tomato Okay, and for the fourth sandwich, quail egg sandwich. I know some people will be surprised and say, what? Quail eggs? Yeah, they are super healthy and it tastes just like regular eggs, just smaller and cuter. Also the same thing. Take a toast and cut the edges and cut them into 6 pieces. Take one of the piece and spread it with cream cheese, and the other piece of the toast on top, making a mini sandwich. Take the quail eggs and cut them in halves. Take a parsley leaf and put it on top of the sandwich, then the half quail egg and the green olive. It looks fancy yet so easy to make and tastes absolutely delicious. The combination of all the flavors together in one bite, it's very nice and it's just beautiful, and also it looks so fancy and it's so easy to make, and your friends, they will be impressed. And most importantly, just have fun. And I hope you like this video, and as always enjoy. Bon appetit وبالعافية عليكم. إن شاء الله يعجبكم هذا الفيديو والفيديوهات القادمة إن شاء الله أحلى وأحلى كمان. إذا حبيتوا مثل هذه السندويشات وأشياء للحفلات بلغوني وإن شاء الله أصلح لكم فيديوهات جديدة وبأفكار جديدة ومميزة. يلا نشوفكم على خير إن شاء الله. مع السلامة.